Let's be honest, your content isn't working. You're putting in the time, the effort, and maybe even spending money to get it seen, but it's not converting. No leads, no engagement, no results. It's frustrating, isn't it? Think of content like cooking. If your ingredients are off, if your flavors don't mix, or worse, if you're missing a key step, it doesn't matter how hard you try. The dish is a failure. And that's exactly what happens with content that lacks strategy. People scroll past your posts, your emails go unopened, your videos get clicks, but no one sticks around. And the worst part? Every second you waste on weak content is a lost opportunity to grow your business. But here's the good news. Great content isn't magic. It's a recipe. And when you follow it, the results speak for themselves. Here's the secret. First, know your audience. What keeps them up at night? Speak directly to that pain. Second, deliver massive value. Educate, entertain, and inspire them to take action. Third, optimize for engagement, because if they're not interacting, they're not buying. This is how you go from content that flops to content that fuels your business. Your content is the heartbeat of your marketing. Get it right, and your audience won't just listen, they'll act. Want to see how it's done? Click the link in the bio or the first comment below to learn more. If you're ready to get started, click the link now.